No, you gotta be kidding me.
Let me check the date on this milk in here.
Give it the. Give it.
These habanero chilies.
Give it 3 minutes.
They're not hard at first.
You just give it 3 minutes. It's not.
Yeah, I don't even think it takes 3.
It takes about 3 minutes.
Oh, he's suffering. I can't believe you ate that whole thing.
It is hot.
Is somebody gonna give you money for this? How many can you do?
Just keep
I
eating them.
probably can't do another one.
The water's empty.
No, the water, the water, the water, the water.
Spread it.
The water's worse.
What's it worse, man? Water makes it a lot worse.
Milk-based product.
Okay, Ken's up now.
Give it 5 seconds more, dude. No, you gotta wait.
Oh, yeah, I mean, if you get the milk now.
You need to go.
You don't need the whole thing. Well, that,
You burn it in your throat. No, just
when was
give
that?
5 more minutes. There you go.
What's that?
Take that.
From your mouth.
Ooh.
Yeah, take You feel awake?
Oh, yeah.
It's not really that hot, though, right?
It's hot.
Hey, hey, fair warning.
Wait till you get the tears coming out.
There's no toilet paper in the bathroom. We're out. I mean,
Wait till those tears come out.
look at Lisa.
Oh
She's
my
bright
gosh.
red.
You always say red.
Look, is she red?
It's a reflection
There you go, D. Take it like a man.
Yeah.
It's alright to cry. It's not bad. It's good.
I think the water did make it worse.
It does make it worse. That's why you have to have a milk-based product.
That don't look too good when I look at it. I might go chew some
The
gum or something.
date,
That's expired
It has
milk.
to be a
Wait
milk-based
a minute. I
product.
got something.
I'll just take it.
No, you couldn't.
Alright, give me that.
I
Let's see
just
what else
fight
we
it.
can find in
Let's
here.
fight
I got something for you.
What is
My lantern.
Oh, that will help. That will help.
Chew it. You gotta chew it.
Didn't that go out of product like 3 years ago? Haven't you been having to have Tums lately?
I'm a G, man. I ain't crying. It's hot, but I ain't gonna cry.
You're gonna cry later in time. It's not. It doesn't go away. Does not go away, D. This stuff does not go away.
I can feel it in my stomach.
That's where it's at now. Hey, you better wash your hands before you go to
Alright,
bed.
guys. Why is this in the refrigerator?
Not me.
Not me.
Oh, that's mine.
Clean it.
I watched it, I put it back in.
I see that.
Man, why you buy a whole bag?
That's the only way it came
I'm
in.
sorry. Do you need it in
I'm
there
not
for
doing no more ever again.
No.
You got one more?
I can put it back in.
You got one more on you, D.
Lane is bringing a Puerto Rican caramel cake tomorrow.
Ooh.
That's all fake. That wouldn't help them.
You good? You good?
I go smoke a cigarette.
I did it.
That's not gonna help. That's burns you more.
Is Chuck's making something tomorrow? What should
She's making it today, and
Oh, you took it like a man.
First he was
It's hot.
first
it's like
he
a
was
white cake
crystals.
with like
Then
injected with like caramel,
It's hot.
and then it's
You're gonna
like
feel it on your stomach
some,
because you
like,
didn't leave it in your
tools
mouth
or
like
something.
that.
You remember
like
you
Heath
said-
bar
I can feel it like on the back of my tongue. It's like